Central Park is one of the most visited parks in the United States and one of the most popular destinations in New York City. Central Park is a man-made wonder. Central Park is the largest green space in New York, with over 20 playgrounds, man-made lakes and ponds, arched bridges, and extensive walking paths. One of the most frequently visited, with over 25 million guests per year, set in the middle of bustling Manhattan, its grounds serve as a safe haven. It welcomes all people and offers various opportunities for activities. One can spend an entire peaceful day roaming its grounds, gazing upon nearly 50 fountains, monuments, and sculptures, or admiring its 36 bridges and arches. You can enjoy a picnic. You can bike or walk along winding paths around the Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis Reservoir, over Bow Bridge, and along grassy hillsides. Central Park is free and open to the public all year round. Most kids will enjoy the Central Park Carousel, Central Park Zoo, the Central Park Conservatory Garden, and Belvedere Castle. You can enjoy ice skating at Wollman Rink or Lasker Rink during winter. The Victoria Gardens Amusement Park provides traditional-style rides for all ages from spring through fall. Central Park is a hub for cultural events, activities, exhibitions, and concerts, especially during spring and summer.